If you've got a vehicle that's not used much or stored for long periods of time, then the chances are every time you come to use it, the battery's flat. This clever device holds the battery's charge and prevents vehicle alarm systems from completely draining them. Its mains powered and uses high frequency technology to charge and preserve 12 volt AGM, gel and lead acid batteries between 3 and 40 amp hours. Each unit is fitted with a 1 metre cable and insulated crocodile clips. Features include selectable 1 and 2 amp charging modes and built-in overcharging and short circuit protection. It's really easy to set up and use. Just connect the unit to the battery, connect it to the mains and let it do its job. You can leave it plugged in permanently to make sure your vehicle's ready to go whenever you are. The Draper Battery Charger and Maintainer, a perfect solution to maintaining 12 volt automotive batteries.